that we are showing the subscription on the dashboard page, it's time now to allow the customer to update those subscription options, and that they can do by making use of the Stripe's customer portal. And to integrate this with our website, what we need to do is go to settings and then go to customer portal. Over here, you can see we have enabled a couple of options like the invoice history is accessible to the user, the customer information, the payment methods, cancellations, and in case of cancellations, we are canceling at the end of the billing period. And then we have the subscriptions, and here we have allowed them to switch plans. Here we have our monthly and yearly subscription products added, and then we have the business information. Now, you save these changes, and after that, we will be going to our dashboard page. Now, on the dashboard page, we'll have one button included, which will allow them to access the customer portal. And here we'll have that button say Manage Subscription. So just after the paragraph tag, we'll have this Manage Subscription, and this needs to be wrapped inside a fragment. So here we'll have that fragment created, and here we'll be closing it. Now we'll need to create this method load portal, and that we can do just with this return statement. So here we'll be saying load portal, and we are making use of the Axios. And what we'll do is we'll create another API, that's API/portal. And once that's done, let's go and create this API portal. So to do that, we'll be going inside our API, and over here we'll be creating a file, and we'll be calling it as portal.js. Now within this, we'll be making use of the Supabase, and then we'll be also calling the Stripe package. And along with the Stripe package, we'll be also calling the cookie. And we have already used the cookie over here. So let's copy this from here, get user cookie, go to our portal, and here we'll be importing this as well. Now we'll be creating the handler. Here we'll be taking the get user cookie. Here we'll take the user cookie.id, and we'll be just replacing this over here. So that's pretty much it that we need to do. So what we are doing is we are taking the user from this, and here we are calling the stripe.billingportal.session, and we are creating the session for that particular customer. And finally, we are redirecting the user over here as the return URL. So if they click back, they will be returned to this particular URL. So let's save this now, and let's run this by running this command npm run dev, and this is now available at localhost 3000. And over here, we'll go to our dashboard page. On the dashboard page, you can see that we have now this link coming up, manage subscription. Let's click on this. So we need to add this Axios package as well, which we missed. So let's click on manage subscription now. And here you can see that the current plans are coming up. You also have the payment method, the billing information, which you can update as well, and the invoice history. So this gives you full control to manage your subscriptions without even logging in to Stripe separately. And then once you're done, you are always having this backlink, which when clicked will take you back to the dashboard page. So that's how easy it is to integrate the Stripe customer portal with your application.